Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It is a two-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 205,000 miles on it. It's got 11-foot nap-hide service body with a 3,200-pound IMT hydraulic crane, hydraulic outrigger, and it's got a VMAX engine-driven air compressor. It's a Southern truck out of Texas, one owner, so it has no rust on it. Really nice truck. Only thing I wanted to point out on this truck is the hood. The paint on the top of the hood is not that good. The clears come off of it. I was gonna have it painted, and the guy said it's about 3 weeks out, so went ahead and got it ready. We may end up being able to get that hood sprayed before you get the truck, and we may not. Just depends. There's your VMAX air compressor. You can see on the hood. The rest of the paint on the truck is very nice. Go ahead and start it up. VMAX. Several sets of slide out American Eagle drawers here. That bottom drawer, the slides messed up on it. It does still come out. It's just kind of goofy. Enclosed cover. Open deck for welder. That must be rock. Can't get that to open. Got a vise on the back. $87.91 engine hours, 4,000 idle hours. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call or text 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state, you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50 to $1.75 a mile. If you decide to come pick this thing up in person, we're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4 only. And you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. If you decide to ship, just know that we are a dispatcher. So what we do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going wherever it's going, we'll take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here at the ready as soon as you pay to leave out with it. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take longer. Sometimes I get them picked up immediately. Just know that. And if you're one of these guys, you got to know the exact second someone's going to pick it up, the exact second they're going to roll up with it. That's just not going to happen. I like to live in reality. A lot of people don't, but there's no way to tell that. And the only way to know that is to pick it up yourself. But like I said, normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days, but